Hello everybody, welcome back to my next cooking video. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to be doing lamb, kumara and spinach coconut curry in this slow cooker. So we got lamb chops, we got curry powder, we got coconut milk, kumara, 2 onions, mincing. Let's get into it.
Well, you need to put 2 tablespoons of flour in the plastic bag.
Where's
I got a tablespoon out. Okay, now get the chops. Okay, now here. Not put it here, mess.
yeah. Put it.
Yep, if it's hot enough. Yep.
Oh, no. I don't think this is going to be full enough. I don't know how.
Just slice them up as they're going in the crock pot. I have to fry up the chops.
Oops. Look.
Yeah, just turn it off for the time being. Yep. Okay, you need your curry. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
I'm just going to shake it.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Oops.
Okay, 1 tablespoon, and then half a cup of coconut milk. So just wait for that to off.
I don't know.
Just cut them up.
Like that way?
Yeah, yeah. Just sort of nice, so that little hunks, so they can cook in the slow cooker. In the half a cup of coconut milk and
With the
onions. Right. And then now add your kumara. And put it on high for 6 hours.
We need to put water in it?
Oh yeah, half a cup of water. Yep, it's enough.
Thank you for watching my video how to make, what is it? Lamb, kumara, spinach and coconut curry.
Put any spinach in.
If you guys want this recipe, the link down in my description down below. Subscribe, push the notification for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.